In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Mega CloudLink file on your smartphone easily. We'll walk through the exact process from opening the link to starting the download using only your mobile browser. No extra apps, no complicated setup, just a straightforward method you can follow in a minute or two. First, make sure you already have the Mega file link you want to download. This might be a shared link someone sent you or one you copied earlier. It should look like a standard Mega URL. As a quick tip, only open links you trust since you're downloading files to your device. Next, open your favorite mobile browser. This could be Chrome on Android, Safari on iPhone, or another browser you prefer. Mega works fine in the browser, so you don't need anything special here. Tap the address bar at the top of your browser, then paste the Mega link. If you've copied it, a long press should reveal the paste option. After you paste it, load the page, and you'll land on Mega's file view. You'll typically see the file name, size, and a simple interface. Look for the download icon on the page, usually at the bottom. It often looks like a downward arrow. Go ahead and tap that icon. At this point, Mega will begin decrypting the file in your browser. This is normal. Mega uses client-side encryption, which means your browser has to process the file before it's ready to download. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this can take a little while. Be patient, keep your connection stable, and try not to switch away from the page until it finishes. Once the decryption is complete, you'll see a Continue button. Tap Continue and your download will start right away. Your browser will handle it like any other file download. You might see a progress bar or a notification showing the download status. If the file is large, give it time to finish and consider staying on Wi-Fi to avoid using mobile data. When it completes, the file will be saved to your browser's default downloads location, and you'll be able to open or move it just like any other download on your phone. And that's all there is to it. You got the link, opened it in your browser, tapped the download icon, waited for decryption, hit continue, and the download began. If this walkthrough helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.